Hi, good morning. And today we are going to discuss about server clustering, client registration, data sharing, and fault tolerance. We are from Group 4, DCC, and in our group, Dharshak, me, and Rishitha Reddy, Sheshanth Reddy, Tharun Raj, Vamsi Krishna, Vijendhar Reddy, Vasavi. These are from Group 4. And here we are going to focus mainly introduction, overview, importance, server clustering, client registration, data sharing, fault tolerance, and conclusion. And coming to introduction, today's fast-paced digital world, modern application and system must be highly available, scalable, and reliable. As a business, really more heavy on technology, ensuring seamless operation and efficient data management has become paramount. This presentation will be developed into four critical concepts that plays crucial role in the achievement of these goals. Those are server clustering, client registration, data sharing, and fault tolerance.
And in overview, we have four major types, that is server clustering and client registration and data sharing and fault tolerance. In server clustering is a group multiple services together to enhance performance to load balancing and high availability. And in client registration, the process is authorizing the clients to access the applications or servers securely. And data sharing, the techniques for sharing and distributing data across multiple nodes or systems, enhancing data continuously and availability. And the fault tolerance is the mechanism and the strategies to maintain the system in the operations and data integrity in the event of failures or errors. And my friend will be continue from the next slide.
Coming to the importance, these concepts are essential for building robust, efficient, and scalable systems that can meet the growing demands of modern applications. By understanding and implementing these techniques, organizations can improve system availability and uptime, enhance scalability to handle increasing workloads, ensure data integrity and consistency across distributed environment, provide secure access and authentication for clients, maintain business continuity in the face of failures or errors. And the next slide is the server clustering. Server clustering is the technique of grouping multiple servers together to act as a single system, providing redundancy, scalability, and high availability. It involves interconnecting multiple servers and distributing workloads across them, ensuring that if one server fails, the other can continue to handle the request seamlessly. Benefits of server clustering. Server clustering enhances reliability through redundancy and failover, ensuring continuous operation with minimal downtime. Clustering scale easily by adding more servers, accommodating increasing workloads and traffic spikes seamlessly. Load balancing distributes requests across servers, preventing overload and improving overall performance. And the next slide will be continued by one of the teammate. Thank you.
When it comes to client registration, the client registration is the process where clients provide credentials to identify themselves to a server. And the importance of client registration in accessing server resources. Client registration ensure only authorized clients can access sensitive data or services on the server. It helps maintain security and privacy by preventing unauthorized access. And the secure methods of client registration are authentication and authorization. In authentication, we will verify the client's identity through credentials like passwords, biometrics, or digital certificates. And in authorization, we grant or deny access to specific resources based on the client authenticated identity and predefined access control policies. Next slide will be continued by my friend.
Hi guys, my name is Tarun. Actually, my video is not working here, so let me proceed with the data sharing now. So, in data sharing, we considered three steps. There are significance of data sharing, methods of data sharing, and challenges and solutions. In significance of data sharing, here data sharing is crucial for collaboration and productivity achieved through shares, distributed file systems, and database replication. And in the second one, as and in the second one, the challenges, the methods of data sharing. Here we have considered network shares like file servers, distributed file systems, and database replication. And the third one is challenges and solutions. Here the challenges like security, consistency, and bandwidth are addressed through access controls, synchronization, and mechanism and data compression. And next slide will be proceeded by one of my teammates. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Fault tolerance is the ability of system to continue operating properly in the event of failures or error. And the importance of fault tolerance is like ensures high availability and reliability of crucial systems and services and minimizes downtime and data loss. And for the techniques for achieving this fault tolerance is redundancy, like backup components and clustered systems. And the next failure over mechanisms like automatic switching to backup systems. And the last load balancing, like distributing workload across multiple resources. And the next slide will be explained by teammate.
Yeah, thank you. And here we have a code to explain. And this code we have first imported all the sockets, threads, and the times, and we created the class. We created a few defines, and this code are in totally written in Python. And in this definition, we imported few ports to create the port for server sockets, everything. And we capturing the client address, and we have integrated with the sockets. And then we have created the distributed server systems. In this server system also we have created few classes to to say create some variables to save the servers. And finally we have created one more client and tested distributed system class. Here we are sharing data between the client. First we are creating one client for registration, and then we are sharing the data between clients. After that, if there is any failure servers, we are reconnecting the availability servers with the client, and continuously we sharing the data to the client. And there is a one more part to disconnect the client. Once the data sharing is completed, we can disconnect with client. And this is the high level explanation of code. And next will explain by continued by one of my teammates.
In the conclusion, server clustering, client registration, data sharing, and faulty tolerance are vital concepts for building modern, robust IT systems. They enable high availability, scalability, secure access control, efficient collaboration, and uninterrupted operations. As technology advances, these concepts will become increasingly important with potential advancement like virtualization, advanced authentication, distributed ledgers, and AI-driven self-healing systems, future enhancing their capabilities. Mastering these concepts is a crucial for organization to stay competent and provides reliable, secure, and efficient services in today's data-driven landscapes. And thank you.
Thank you, everyone.